Welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Dreidel box SVG design from Rissa Rocks It. These make really cute Hanukkah gifts. You can fill them with candy, Hanukkah gilt, you can use them to wrap small gifts. And if you want to buy this SVG design, I'll be putting the links in our video description. As always, you're going to begin by cutting the pieces on your cutting machine. You're going to have 6 pieces, the box, the handle, and the 4 pieces that are inserts that are going to go behind these Hebrew letters. So what I like to do is I like to start by pre-folding along the score lines for the box piece and the handle. That just makes the assembly come together a little bit easier. So there you can see I have those pre-folded. The next step is you're going to glue the 4 inserts behind each of those Hebrew letters, and you want to make sure you're gluing those on the back sides. You'll notice that one of the inserts is a little bit shorter. That's the one that's going to go on the side with the little notch right there. And when you're gluing it down, just make sure that you're not going to be gluing on top of any of the fold lines. The insert pieces are a little bit smaller than each side of the box, so that it helps so that you're not going to be interfering with the folding of the box when those are glued down. All right, now that the inserts are glued to the inside of the box, we're going to start assembling our actual box shape, and we're going to start by applying glue on that side tab. And then we're going to fold it around to meet with the other side. Next, we're going to be gluing down each of these 4 points. So we're going to be applying glue to the tab and then affixing it to the point next to it, and we do that one by one. As you're doing the last point, if your hand can't fit inside to glue those down, you can use something like a skewer or a pencil to kind of help press it from the inside. All right, so the box portion is complete. Now we're going to glue together the handle. So the handle is this little smaller piece, and we're going to start by gluing along the long side tab. Then we're going to glue down the top. The top is the side with one little tab and then the square closure. So we're going to place glue on the little angled tab and then fold down the little square flap. Now we're going to insert the little handle into the hole that's in our lid. So we're going to put it in from the bottom and slide that through. And it's going to pop out the top. And if you'll notice, there are 4 little flaps on the handle. We're going to place some glue on those flaps to affix it to the underside of the lid. So we'll pull that the rest of the way through and press down those flaps until the glue holds. You can clean up any excess glue. All right, now you can go ahead and fill your box with whatever you like. And then once your box is filled, you fold down the top flaps and put the lid inside. And there you go. We have our completed dreidel, and you're ready for Hanukkah. Thank you for watching.